Hello everybody, welcome back to the show. You're here with me, Ben, and today it's a great day. We got it's a sponsored video, ladies and gentlemen. So thank you to Urbanista for sending me a pair of their new Miamis. They're a great pair of headphones by the look of them. I'm gonna unbox them first, and then in a couple of days when I've used them, I'll have a bit where I kind of talk more about my thoughts on them. So thank you again, Urbanista. And we have a discount code, ladies and gentlemen. TheProBenja 20. Get 20% off at urbanista.com. Link to their website will be in the description. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. So let's get right into the tech inbox. Okay, so let's get into it. So these headphones are supposed to have 50 hours of playtime, ladies and gentlemen. And with active noise cancelling, oh damn, that is nice. With noise cancelling on, they are supposed to have 40 hours of playtime. Ooh, look at all this. Look at that. That is some crazy heckin' case right there. Let's see these bad boys. Oh damn. Okay, we'll look in the little box first. Okay, we got a ton of cables. We got your aux, typical, just standard aux cable. We have, not really sure what that is. It looks, I'll have to check what this is. It looks like you can plug an aux into it because there's a port there. And the final cable is the charger. Charges with a USB Type-C, like your kind of standard Android these days. And then the headphones themselves, oh, they are chunky. Oh, they feel so nice. Oh, that's leather. Oh, that is all leather. And that plastic, oh, so smooth. Look at that. Oh, they feel so goddamn nice. Look at that. Oh, and the padding is just so nice feeling. What ports do we got? We got a couple of buttons. Our charger, our aux. It's kind of it. They're so sleek. Look at that. Oh my god, they feel so nice. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do is we'll check back in a few days after I've had a chance to use these bad boys, and I'll give you my executive opinions. So, roll to future ProBenja. So it's been a few days since I got the Urbanista Miami. Thank you again, Urbanista. They feel so good, and they're actually really comfortable on your head. And they're actually quite heavy headphones. These bad boys cost 149 euros. They've got noise they have 3 modes. So there's the default mode, where I mean you can't really hear anything anyway. I mean they are like, when you have these on, you're really gonna have to concentrate on what someone's saying to you. They have a noise cancelling mode where it's quite good. It's really good. I haven't been traveling, as it is level 5 lockdown here, so I haven't been able to test out how good they are in like a plane or a car or train or whatever. And then they have ambient sound mode. So that's where the headphones basically pick up like what people are saying, and they kind of like make it clearer for you. So like you can have the headphones on and listen to stuff while being able to hear what's going on outside. It's a pretty cool feature, to be fair. That's all controlled via a little button on the left hand side. One of the coolest features about these, and I love this so much. This is so sick. Okay, I didn't know these did this at all until I was reading how to set these bad boys up. So they have on-ear detection. Now, what in God's name does that mean, you might be thinking? Now, I don't know what hardware and technology went into sensing whether these are on your ear or not, but basically what that means is if I have these headphones on and say I'm listening to, I don't know, Drake and Ice for What, for example. Yeah. And I take the headphones off of my head. The headphones will detect that I've taken the headphones off my head and they'll pause the song. Like, that is so sick. Like, that is crazy. I love it. I love it so much. That is definitely one of the coolest features about these. Now, the battery life is 50 hours of playtime with no noise cancelling. I think they said it goes down to 40 with noise cancelling. I haven't had them long enough to determine whether that is 100% like accurate or not. There will be a follow-up, as always, a 6-month review of these headphones. So I'll be able to tell you then. Now, the travel case, that is so cool because I'm always worried when I'm bunging headphones into my bag, you know, that they're going to get damaged or whatever. So I'm glad it came with a case, especially when these are so expensive. If you are spending your money on these beautiful headphones, you don't want them getting damaged. Now, the other stuff that comes in, as I said, there is the aux cable. So if these are out of battery, you can just plug them in. There's the USB Type-C for charging the headphones. And the other thing that I didn't know what it was is an airline adapter. So you can plug it in when you're on the plane. Now that is so sick that Urbanista included them. So like with the Urbanista Stockholms, these headphones come packed with a bunch of features where you have to hold down on the buttons to access them. So as I said already, you have your function button over on the left-hand side for your noise cancelling, your ambient mode, and you're swapping back to the default. However, on the other side, there are 3 more buttons, ladies and gentlemen. You have your volume up, control, and volume down button. Now, we'll come back to the control in a minute. The volume up button, not only does it turn up the volume, but if you hold down on it for 2 seconds, it will skip to the next song. And the volume down button, likewise, if you hold down on that for 2 seconds, it will go back to the previous song. So that is a pretty sick feature. Now the control button, not only is that the on and off button, it is also, if you click it when a song is playing, it will play and pause the music for you. You can also answer and end calls just by clicking it once as well. If you want to reject a call, you got to hold down on that sucker for 2 seconds. And this is a cool feature that they haven't had on, I'm nearly 100% sure it's not on the Urbanista Plus, Stockholm Plus, is if you double click the control button, you can use Siri or whatever personal assistant you do have on your phone. You can also adjust the size of these headphones. I didn't know this until a few minutes ago when I was playing with them, just by pulling out here. So that's good to know. I've a pretty small head, so I never really I haven't had to adjust these since I got them. So, to conclude, I really do like these headphones, even though it's only been a week, so I haven't seen any problems with them yet. They are really simple to connect. I might do a video about that, just because some people seem to have difficulties working with the Urbanista connections. It's really simple. You just turn them on, and the first time they're on, it goes into pairing mode, and then you just connect with your phone, and bada bing, bada boom. So it's quite simple. As I said already, they are 149 euros, which isn't too bad for the quality that you're getting with these headphones. And this is our first proper collab with Urbanista. So until the 6th of June, I have a discount code to get 20% off of anything you want on Urbanista Stockholm, on urbanista.com. Link will be in the description to their website. The discount code will be right along here. It's TheProBenja20, no caps, okay? You can't use any other discounts on the Urbanista website if you're using mine, so just keep that in mind. But it's really sick that Urbanista sent me these headphones and has given me this discount code, so thank you so much for that. It's really surreal. And thank you guys. I wouldn't be in the position to do this without you guys. So if you are buying stuff off of urbanista.com, and I really advise that you do. They've got some great speakers, some great earbuds. I use my Urbanista Stockholm Plus the whole time still. And these Miamis, I'm going to be using these for editing a lot in the future, because the bass and sound quality in them is amazing, as well as all the other features that are on them. So, if you enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button. If you're new, make sure to smash that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.